Hello, guys. I just want to quickly update you on what is going on in the market right now, most especially concerning GBP USD. We've been following this particular trade. We have been watching out for this reversal. Like I said, for the purpose of those that are seeing this for the first time, the analysis that we have here says we are on the support level or a supply, and we are looking for a buy opportunity. We are waiting for confirmation, the buy confirmation from here now before we jump on the buy. So we go down to the 4-hour lower time frame, 4-hour now, to see what is happening. And as at the last update I gave the last time, that we are having a possible double bottom here, which is a reversal sign, and we have a neckline here. That if we break this neckline and above this neckline now, and this 4-hour candle closes, then we have a reversal complete. Now that we have the candle, this 4-hour candle breaking above this level now, that means we have a confirmation, the first confirmation that we need to get to be sure that we want to buy GBP USD has been found now. We have seen our first confirmation now. A double bottom, a neckline break, and it was breaking out of a wedge as well. Okay, so we have a confirmation. Now it's now to position ourselves, for entry now. So the confirmation for buying is gotten now, is done now. Now to position ourselves for buy. As an aggressive trader, you can jump on the buy right now as an aggressive trader. Okay, and if you have the money, if you would like to take the risk, jump in right now. You are taking so much risk, about 65 to, let's say, about 80 pips. Let me just put it at 80 pips. That is what you need to risk. For me, that is too much. I don't risk more than highest 20 pips, highest 25. So I don't risk more than between 20 and 25 pips. So I need to look for a support from here before I could jump in. So now that we have this break now, I'll be looking for the market to test this support. If I can have my, confirmation here, for a support here now, then that is when I'm going to buy. And I'm going to look out for our entry on lower time frame, 15 minutes lower time frame. So that means I'm looking for a serious support at this particular level now. If I'm able to get that, I'm sure that the market will use this place as support. You can use your own entry strategies to do that. But based on my entry strategy that I use, I'm looking for it here, and as soon as my strategies is met for entry, I'm going to enter. But for confirmation, we have a buy confirmation on GBP USD. But so now to position ourselves for entries. So that is what we need to do now. And I'm going to, the way I'm going to trade this now is, I'm going to wait for this next candle to complete whatever I want to do. This is a break candle. This is going to be a retest candle, because this next candle now, this candle can give you a fake out, and you can see the wick that this candle has a very long wick. So most likely this one might fake out. It might close back down this level, and if it closes back down this level, that might not be a good thing. It's going to retrace, give us a long retracement. So that might not be good. But if you can wait for this next candle now to close this, if it closes above this, then you will know you have a good entry. But if it closes back down here, then that is not so good. So I'm waiting for this next candle now to complete this. It is a retest candle for me to complete this retest. Then this candle will tell me what I'm going to do on GBP USD. But as for me, we have a buy, and a buy will take us to at least this level that we have here. So if there is a rejection here, we're coming back down. That means we're stuck in the range. But if there is a break, then we'll continue our uptrend. Okay, so that is the update that I have. You can see now this is live. You can see that candle just showed red now. So anything can still happen. So to me, I'm still going to wait for this candle to do whatever it wants to do before I enter this trade. So that is what I have on GBP USD now. Then let's look at what is going on other peers that we are watching. From what we are seeing here, can clearly say that most likely GBP JPY2 will continue the uptrend. Okay, so as it is now, let's look at what is happening on the lower time frame. As it is now, this is a buy for me on the lower time frame. In fact, you can jump in right now as it is, because we have let's look at it again, here, but it will have been safer if it breaks out of this, because we still have this wick here to contend with. If you're an aggressive trader, you can actually jump in here, okay? Because based on what we have here, we have another block here, and you can see the price has been rejected from there. That price bounced off that place, and the next candle gave us a bullish, candle. So most likely this thing is going to go up, but it will be safer if it breaks above this level here and use it as support, just like what I've drawn here. But if you look at what is happening at the lower time frame, you can see that here we have a reversal already, and this is our neckline. Okay, so the neckline has been broken and that's already retested. So on the GBP JPY right now, we have a buy confirmation, but like I said, it might still have a rough time. Okay, might still have a rough time because of this wick that we still need to contend with here. But if you're like I say, if you're an aggressive trader, you can jump in on the buy right now. So that is GBP JPY. Let's look at GBP CAD. You can see GBP CAD is already, move. It didn't give us the opportunity to enter. So Euro JPY, there's no entry yet. So that is it. But on GBP USD, GBP JPY, we have something there. Okay, especially the GBP JPY. There is something there. Then GBP USD, we still need to wait a bit, before we can do the entry. So that is what I have for us currently now as the update.